So we changing Dodge Charger headlight. So we gotta take, I'm guessing, this airbox off. You got about what? 30 screws in the back? Since him don't want to move, we'll move with him.
I'll hold it.
Well, at least this is clean.
Yeah. Matter of fact, get all them leaves and shit up, dude. That's what I've been smelling.
Hold on. So I gotta take that bolt off. Hope it's a T. Cameraman.
Yes, sir.
I know my bag, but I don't know my bag that well.
We're having some, difficulties right now, but we'll be there shortly.
Put that light over here. Oh, that tiny ass little boat.
Yeah, you know how they get.
So just have to do this. Improvise, people. Beautiful.
Dump that shit up. Oh, perfect. Yeah, perfect.
And this is how you get to your light. That is all the way over here in the corner. Twist it. Going this way.
What this way?
Going to your right. And then this little lid right here should pop off. Unscrew your light bulb that is in there. Going to the right again. Here we go. We got the same headlights. Actually, these like factories that are broken. You see that little springy thingy up in there? It's broken. Get your new one. Do not, for the life of you, touch that lens. Oh my gosh, if you do. Say stick it in there, but we're gonna say put the light bulb in there. Twist it back just like that. Make sure it's nice and tight. That don't feel right. Okay, I'm trying to move that here. There we go. Now that's nice and tight. So let's take a look at it. Hit those lights. That's how it's supposed to look. Beautiful. There we go. Scared me. I was like, did I put anything wrong? Okay, that's how you change charger lights. And then you got the other one right here on this side, so get it right there. I don't have the cover back on yet, but once you put the covers back on, simple. So Put it back on. Put your air box back in. Twist that. Now that's tight. Come over here. Twist this. There we go. Just like that. Boom. Done. Now I gotta put everything back together right here. Same way you took it off, put it back on. Alright, peace out.